What if I told you that going viral no longer takes months or even years? You might have seen those viral Ronaldo and Messi videos going around the internet, right? One Instagram account just broke all records. 580,000 followers in just 1 week with only 15 posts. Unbelievable, right? This account has tapped into a powerful AI strategy with zero competition, proving that anyone can create viral content and skyrocket to fame. Thinking about how this is being made? I'm here to show you the entire process so you can harness that power for your own channel. Let's dive into the 2 simple steps to create your own viral content. And stick around for a bonus tip on how to create multiple scripts from just 6 prompts, all for free. First step is to generate stunning image. Head over to Ideogram, where we'll bring our prompts to life and create stunning images. But first, let's take a moment to showcase all the incredible prompts I've crafted just for you. Feel free to explore any of them, but I'm diving into prompt 2. Now on to the fun part. Copy prompt 2. It's my favorite. Paste it into Ideogram. Keep all the default options as they are. And if you're creating shorts, feel free to adjust the aspect ratio. Just click generate and watch your creativity come to life. Wow, 4 stunning images generated. I'm picking the 3rd one to download and use in the final step. Let's bring this vision to life and don't go anywhere. I'll be sharing where to access all the prompts shortly. Transform your images into captivating videos. Head over to Pixverse AI where you get free credits daily. Upload your image, paste the exact prompt that generated it, and hit create to bring it to life. In a flash, you've got eye-catching content. Download your creation and let's play it. Looks like Messi and Ronaldo are having a blast. AI has turned them into best buddies. All the links to prompts and tools are right in the description. To generate multiple scripts, simply upload the PDF prompt I shared into ChatGPT, then copy and paste my prompt. Each time, you'll unlock 6 fresh, one-of-a-kind ideas. The results are absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine scenes like Messi as a record store owner or 2 friends exploring Mars together. The possibilities? Limitless. With this technique, you can create countless scripts that are as imaginative as they are unique. My top tip? Add a voiceover and some catchy music to take these scripts to the next level and really make them shine. Think this was helpful? Don't keep it to yourself. Share with other creators and let's ride this AI wave to the top.